Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's video we're going to be installing LED lights for the gauge cluster. I went ahead and ordered these off of Flyin Miata. They're blue, and I'm hoping that they match the gauge cluster, or I'm sorry, not the gauge cluster. I hope they match the gauges that I'm running, same blue, or at least close enough, as well as the head unit. I don't have lights for the climate control. I'm going to look those up. Maybe I can add this later. If not, do it some other time. But yeah, basically this kit comes with looks like four blue LEDs, and that'll be for your gauge cluster only. So yeah, let me turn you guys around and we can get started. Not a fan of the factory orange. I used to have a Lexus i300, same thing. Didn't like it, so I upgraded to like an aqua blue. But I wanted to upgrade to a blue that's similar to here, so let me go ahead and turn this on here. There we go. Okay, so that is the blue that it comes with, or at least that I chose for here. It's a little bit darker in person than on the video. That's a little bit closer, I think, but we'll see. Video's a bit off, definitely a little bit more darker in person. But anyways, I was just tired of just all the different colors. I was like, let me at least get these blue that I look at every day. And then eventually I'll get these changed out. If not this video, sometime later. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove this little cover here. And then after that, what we do is we pretty much take this panel off so that we can kind of get underneath here. I believe we need to get this panel off so that we have access underneath here. But just to double check, I will triple check here. But you've got one screw here, nope, not there. Another screw down there, right here, so take those two out. Another one right here, and then that should free up this portion here. And then we're going to take off this panel here as well. All screws are loose, so go ahead and pop that off and free that area up. Cool. Just gotta put that to the side. And you can kind of see those two screws and two screws on the side. They hold that whole cluster in. All we got to figure out is how to remove this little hood area or a cover for the gauge cluster. The hood is pretty much just held in with some clips. So we're just going to carefully kind of go around here and just pry open the bottom. And I will show you once I take these off what the clips look like. But first of all, we'll just free up the bottom here first, and then we're going to go slow and just go all the way around here. You may have to yank it back. I don't remember. I've done it on my NA, my old NA. So, but yeah, looks like that's about right. Ruin that. There we go. Okay. As far as I know, I did not ruin anything. Yep, everything's good. All right, cool. So yeah, you just kind of flip it up and pull it out. Last but not least, you've got 1, 2, it's a little crusty, 3, and 4. And we're gonna go ahead and take all that off. And since we're here, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of clean clean the area once I kind of get everything back out. So let's go ahead and remove those screws.
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3.
Yep, and then this pulls right out. And last but not least, you've got 2 connectors back here. All you have to do is just kind of pinch them. If I can kind of see them. But yeah, you just pull. I might need 2 hands for this. Excuse my little nail there. Had a little smashy. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands. But yeah, just literally pull those off and we turn this thing around. Yeah. Correction here, there are 3 connectors. Didn't see the third one. Here's the third one. And I'm gonna need to do 2 hands, I think. Oh, we're good. We got it. Sweet. Okay, there's the cluster. So now all we gotta do is we gotta remove, I believe, the 4 main ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And pull. Yep, there it is. So there's 1. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace as they go. And they're the main ones. The other ones are for like all the other lights. But the 4 main ones obviously are included here. So here, all you gotta do is literally pull this bulb out. Looks like to get the color, they just have a little cover there. But yeah, pull this bulb out, put the LED in here, and I would love to show you guys, but I need 2 hands. Let me see if I can prop you guys up. All right, let's see how well this works. You know what's funny? You're at the exact, like, perspective that the cluster sees every day. That's funny. But yeah, literally you got these right here. You just pull them out. Just like that. And I don't believe polarity matters here. We're gonna find out. But yeah, I don't mean, there's no way to really tell. So if it doesn't work, if any of them don't work, just pull them out and turn them around. Should be all right. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in. Yep, there it is. And then literally, if I can show you guys this way, literally you just put them in, if you can see it, and then you twist it back. So what you did to get them out, you do the opposite, and there you go. Cool. I'm on the last one here. Last one to go in. Hopefully the polarities are correct. Yeah, and that is it. Use all 4 of them. They are the main ones. So yeah, what I'm gonna do here is, there's some loose stuff just chilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of vacuum this area out real quick since I'm here. Use a little brush, kind of clean before I put all this stuff back together. And then, yeah, I mean, I normally do this just because I don't always open this up, so I might as well do it now. So I'm gonna go grab my vacuum and little brushy, cleany, wipey, put it back and install. Before we put it back in, we're gonna go ahead and plug this in, and just to make sure all the lights work correctly, and see what it looks like real quick before we put everything back together.
And that should be a good to go. There we go. Probably missed a bunch of spots, but it's okay.
Okay, let's see, moment of truth. Nice. Oh, let me close the door. Hey. Okay, not bad. Oh, nice mosquito. Nice. Wow, looks good. I like how it's brighter there and there. That's kind of weird. Interesting. Yeah. All right. That's okay. Let's see how close it is with the gauges. Oh, that's awkward. No, not bad. Not too bad. Yeah, it's close enough. I just don't like that it's kind of like highlighted on one side, and yeah, I guess that's kind of an LED thing, huh? But all right. So yeah, looking at their website, they do kind of have hotspots, so I guess that's kind of a normal thing. My IS had the same kind of issues, not as prominent as this, because gauge faces, but you know, I might be able to just swap gauge faces eventually, and maybe that'll fix it. But either way, I didn't want the orange anymore, so that's fine. I'll get over it. Obviously, we'll start with getting the screws back in place. The main screws, I don't know if I remember where I put them.
So I go here. Let's see. Yep, there's one. Nice. Go ahead and just do a quick little brushy. I don't want to mess with the contacts or anything. And this is not really that dirty. So it looks like these have little slots for them to sit flush.
Sweet. Cool. All right, so now we just go ahead and get the hood on here. Like I said, it should just pop into place for the most part. Let's see here. See the little slots there? Kind of get that in there. Get those in. Yep, there you go. And just push it forward. Put that down. Boom. All set and done. Hell yeah. Okay. And now we just got to put the steering wheel or steering shaft cover back on there.
Back in place. Go. Sweet. Yep. Cool. And then put the screws in. And we'll do a little final product. Yep. Cool.
So yeah, there she is. That's the install. So thanks guys for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.